Yep, 3.84.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how Perm got his incredible 3.84 seconds Rubik's Cube solved. Let's go. So you can see here the white cross setup is super easy. You can do that by doing this move, R prime, F, D2, R prime and D2, and the white cross is already set up. And the first F2L pair is also easy. You can see the green and the orange pair is easy to set up. First you can do this move like that, and luckily you can see the blue and red pair is already set up. You can insert it easily, and the third pair is also easy. Yes, you can see it. The green and red pair is easy to set up. You can do the R prime, U prime, R, and the final pair is quite easy. You can do this move, and you can do the OLL and PLL skip.